Do you want to ask a question on Instagram Story? You can ask questions on Instagram Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To ask a question on an Instagram Story, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap on the plus icon at the top left of the screen to create a story. Now, capture a new photo or video, or choose one from your gallery to upload as your story background. Once the content is added, tap on the stickers icon at the top of the screen. A new screen will appear with different options. Find and tap on questions. A question box will appear on your story. Tap on it and type the question you want to ask your followers. You can customize the question box by changing the color, style, or position on your story. Once you're happy with the story, tap on your story to share it. Your followers can now tap the question box to reply.